Ever wonder why PC gamers love mechanical keyboards? Let's dive into what makes them the go-to choice for gaming. First, faster response times. Mechanical keyboards register key presses faster, which can make a big difference in high-speed gaming situations. Next, durability. Each key is rated for millions of presses, so you won't wear them out anytime soon. Customization is another reason. You can change keycaps, choose different switches for how each key feels, and even customize the RGB lighting to match your setup. Tactile feedback. Every key press gives a satisfying click or bump, making it easier to know when a key has been pressed, perfect for precise gaming. Mechanical keyboards also feature anti-ghosting and N-key rollover, allowing you to press multiple keys at once without missing any inputs. So, if you want speed, durability, and precision, it's no wonder gamers prefer mechanical keyboards. Like and subscribe to TechLens for more gaming tech tips.